Today I'm showing you how to delete TikTok messages from both sides on your Android device so they're removed for you and the recipient. Let's get started. Open TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Go to Inbox. Tap the Inbox icon at the bottom of the screen to view all your conversations. Select Conversation. Tap on the conversation containing the message you want to delete from both sides. Scroll through the chat to find the specific message you want to unsend. Long press the message you want to delete. A menu appears with options. Select Unsend. A confirmation pop-up appears asking if you want to unsend the message. Tap Unsend or Delete to confirm. Message removed. The message is now deleted from both your chat and the recipient's chat. It will show Message Unsent or disappear completely. Delete multiple messages. To delete more messages from both sides, repeat the process. Long press each message, tap Unsend, and confirm. Important time limit. You can only unsend messages within a certain time frame after sending them. After this period expires, usually a few hours, you can only delete messages from your side. And that's it. You've removed messages from both sides on TikTok.